Y'all probably wonder why my eyes is red, but today was one of the days I actually, had a breakdown. For those that been following me for a while, I haven't seen my kids, and it's almost 5 years. So in the midst of the breakdown, shedding tears, a lot of people think you're supposed to be, exempt or in this bubble. I do have a personality, and I do have, feelings. But in the moment of this breakdown, God was saying to me, you got to let it out. So what he was telling me in so many words, make a message for your kids, because writing a letter on a piece of paper and haven't done no justice for you. So you have a big platform. So this go to my only son, Tre'von. We call him Turtle. And I know you may have your differences and, your questions why I'm not there. A lot of things happen between me and your mom, when you get older, you understand. But I'm not here to bash your mom or anything. But I go through life just like anybody else. I miss you. So I hope you still, playing basketball. And when I receive pictures of you, man, you look just like me. Every spit of me, and it's crazy. I get to watch myself grow up. But my heart breaks every time because I'm not there. And I feel like I'm being robbed of the best time to show y'all. And for my middle child, Harmonae, I know you've been through a lot. And you questioning, you should have kept your mouth closed on a lot of things and this wouldn't be happening. But baby, you were supposed to speak up. You were supposed to tell the truth. And it just hurt me because I'm not there for you to show you, how a man's supposed to love, how a man's supposed to treat a woman. And baby, I'm just sorry that we are apart right now. But I tell you, everything that I'm doing for y'all. And to my sweet baby girl, Tiana, man, I didn't see you since she was 5. Man, you just so smart, so talented, and you remind me of always eager to learn and try things, even if it makes you feel frustrated. You always looking to, gain knowledge, and I like that about you. And I've been watching you grow. So I just wanted to tell y'all, Daddy love you, and Daddy miss you. And everything that I'm doing right now, it's gonna set y'all up in life. So I just want y'all to know Daddy really care for y'all. I had to get myself together to finish this video for my children. But everything that I'm doing, YouTube, I made it. A lot of people ask me, why you still working? I work to, set them up. I work to keep going. But sometimes you're scared to step into the unknown. And that's my problem. I'm scared to step into the unknown. Because this robbed me out of relationships. Because a part of me actually feel guilty. Because I have so much love to give. And I'm like, man, I got kids in this world. But God said you do deserve love. But I'm working through it. So I just want to come on here to actually let y'all see this side of me. To actually let y'all see that I go through things just like everybody else. But I don't stop. I continue to trust in God. So I just feel much better. So if you rock with me, hey, share this video. By prayer, by hope, they may see this video. So if you really rock with me, I need you to share this.